Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to effortlessly convert JPEG images to professional quality PDFs with LightJetAI's free tool. Let's see JPEG to PDF converter in action now. So it's super simple, just upload your JPEG files. After you upload your JPEG file, you can choose a format for it. You can decide if you want it to be a portrait or in the landscape format, and then you can arrange the margin size. If you want, you can just check this box to merge all images in one PDF file. By simply clicking on the plus icon right here, you can always add more images. And it's super easy individually rotating the images, or you can just click on the trash bin icon right here to delete some. Also, if you have multiple images and you want to rotate them all, you can just click Rotate All button right here. Once you're happy, click Convert to PDF. Okay, it's ready. You can just download it for free. So it's super easy converting your JPEG files to PDF with LightJetAI's free tool. Go ahead, give it a try and let us know what you think.